Welcome to this little project which updates a previous project that you might have been working on to scale an image. So the lesson objective is just to scale an image, to animate the scaling of an image. And here's the code that we're going to use. What I will do is just go and show you the project and show what happens when we run it. Okay, so if I click on the image, it scales nice and slowly. I can drag it around and I let go and it scales down again nice and slow. So I'm going to show you the code that makes this work. Okay, here's the touches began procedure that scale the image. So the scaling happened here, and then we immediately made the face frame equal to this temporary frame and made sure that it had the same center point as before. What we want to do is kind of wrap this line of code, face.frame equals temp, in an animation. So I'm just going to delete this and drag in the code that I've saved over here already. Let's just tab it over properly. And this is the piece of code that is going to help us do our animation. What's going to happen is when we make the image bigger, it's going to take 0.3 seconds to make the image bigger, and the animation is going to start immediately because the delay is 0. And we're going to use this option, curve ease in out. What that means is the animation will start slowly, it will be fast in the middle, and it will be slow at the end. And we just have a line of code in here. In Xcode, this is referred to as a block. And that's it really. It's a very simple piece of code to get the animation to work. This is in the touches began event. We should also do the same thing in the touches ended event. So let's just delete that, drag it back in, and what we'll do is we'll make this delay, so when we let go of the face, we'll make that delay a bit longer. Let's make it 2 seconds and see what happens. So I'll just build my project and I'll just show you what it looks like. So here it scales quite quickly, and then when I let go it scales slowly. So it's taking 0.3 seconds to scale up and 2 seconds to scale down. I think that's clear on the screen that you can see that happening. Thank you very much.